Holy Manuel I Selassie, Rastafari, here we are from the gate of Soweto. Rise up South Africa and overstand the truth. Democracy is not what they preach unto you. You have to know them that I'm selling you to Illuminati. Rise and read the Bible and overstand. Right upon your head, the marijuana will legalize it. Politician them have before. Africa, you're hating one another, you're fighting one another. How long shall you be misleading one another? You're hating one another, you're fighting one another. How long shall you be misleading one another? The young youth, they must sniffing cocaine. The police taking bribes from drug dealers. The politicians are misleading their people. Illuminati them stray.
Rastafari King Selassie the first, His Majesty. Let's come together, Africa. Africa must come unite. Sister Lagunima Africa manjipele when libantu lulan and kalulan. Africa might dibani benda on. Bastoganisa belungu say feel kasura dibane man. Zimbabwe, Africa, it's the same thing. Big up Eastern Cape Somo.
I'm straight from the ghetto, corners of Soweto. Sending out to Mkondo cause I care for Risigo. Dela machimbo simfanak mashale smogolo. Waspeki sela panting up apata sinangondo. They made us who we are, but they wanna lock us up. Putting us in present, telling us we fucked up. We here to preach a message and we're not here to play. We here to honor brothers and we're not here to play. Too many questions in my mind when I'm unemployed. While the politics are sit outside them enjoy. Them smuggling cocaine, them dealing with guns. Rise up Africa and unite, yo. Love one another, don't hate one another. Love your brother and love your sister. Fight against xenophobia and respect our African brothers and sisters. Rastaman says United States of Africa. Listen, the politicians are misleading you and brainwashing you. Them taking our African minerals, they gonna manufacture them overseas. When them bring them back, them say it's too expensive. But I and I will never give up the fight, cause we know that them coming with an evil system. I and I we coming with the righteousness. Them have you know with their brainwash education. They should teach the children the skills. Them should not come with them lot of subject and confuse our children. Yeah, that's what we want. You have to bring up our talents from Cape to Cairo, from Ghana, Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Ethiopia, Zimbabwe, Maputo, Botswana, United States of Africa. Pick up my brothers in the Eastern Cape. Here we come, yeah, we rise again. Here we are. Big up to brother Chris production, righteousness. We blaze Babylon, we never give up the fight. Yeah.